Hey friends, welcome to our second episode of What's for Dinner with me, Tammy Dombeck. Let's head inside and meet our local celebrity and our chef for the night. This is Doug Renfro of Mrs. Renfro Salsas. Thank you so much for having us in your beautiful home. We appreciate it so much.
Thanks for coming.
And of course, we brought an amazing chef.
We did.
Chef Stefon Rishel of Texas Blue Steakhouse, which we were having like you're gonna have to bend down.
Yeah.
We can't get his mohawk in the picture. You have 30 minutes to go through Doug's pantry, refrigerator, whatever. Find whatever ingredients you have.
Wine locker?
Wine locker.
Yeah.
He's got an amazing wine locker. Or
Gotta have wine with food, right?
And you have 30 minutes to create an amazing meal for the three of us. However, we will give you a Favor Lifeline. And guys, Favor is an amazing company that you can call and they will bring you anything. Your groceries.
Truffles.
Truffles, anything.
Perfect. I'm ready.
Let's go.
Lock and roll.
Let's do it.
Let's find out the secrets behind this door. Mrs. Renfro's secrets.
I'm a little nervous.
All right, here we go. I knew it!
that is
need that for sure. Put
that is
on the counter.
medicinal.
All right.
I get sleepy sometimes.
We're gonna need some olive oil.
Sweet, fireball, olive oil.
Fireball, yeah, the perfect combination.
Yeah, spicy olive oil.
Got to have the Mrs. Renfro's.
Brought to you by.
Let's do some vegetable stock.
Sweet, unsalted.
Is everything in this pantry gluten-free?
It's mostly non-GMO organic. He found
Doug Renfro.
He found the Velveeta.
No, give me that.
Everybody needs a cheat, you know.
No, we'll put that up there. We'll hide it. We're good.
So the Crisco's good. You don't need the Crisco.
I think we're good.
I want to know where you're going because right now we got Mrs. Renfro's Verde Salsa, which is awesome, and Fireball, y'all.
The natural.
Yeah.
So I don't know where we're going.
So this is called Chef Prep.
Oh, Chef Prep.
Well, man, Doug, you got a lot of condiments.
It pays the bills.
All right, so in the restaurant business, we have one of these things like you don't open something until the first one's finished. Now you have like all this open butter.
Well, one's salted and one's not.
Well, they're different. There
Oh,
you
okay.
go.
Well, okay. I didn't see the
There you
label.
go.
See, that's my fault. So we're gonna take this milk, I think.
Okay. Doug, I'm trying to see where he's going. I don't know what kind of recipe.
Little tasso.
I'm hoping he doesn't go too far.
Little tasso's good. Do some butter.
Harissa pumpkin
Got some
butter.
eggs.
What recipe you coming up with here?
I'm thinking shrimp and grits is gonna be where we go.
Shrimp and grits. Do you have shrimp?
Where's the shrimp at, Doug?
No.
No.
Nope. Really?
So grits.
Shrimp and grits. You got grits?
Okay.
How good are you?
So I'll get to work on the favorite items.
Absolutely. Let's
I'm
do some
thinking shrimp and grits.
Absolutely.
Just the two main things.
That's
Okay.
it's just the two things. Yeah, so it's like the whole
two
dish.
Key ingredients.
So yeah, exactly.
I'll let
I got
you keep
everything
looking.
This is like the most organized spice rack I've ever seen in my entire life. And I see some Tony Chachere's right there in the front. I think we are good to go with that, and we don't even need to mess with anything else. Chachere's for the win.
Okay, friends, Favor has come and gone, and they have brought us the two items that Stefon needs, shrimp and grits. Got 30 minutes, Betty. Here we go. We're setting the timer. Shrimp and grits, y'all, with Mrs. Renfro's Salsa Verde.
Let's do it.
Go.
We're gonna start the grits, and instead of using water, we're gonna use milk. Just makes it a little bit more rich. But what the thing is, capsaicin is an oil. Oil bonds to fat. There's fat in the milk. This will permeate the flavor all the way through the entire dish. So we're gonna use about a quarter of this jar.
And you can't use too much salsa.
No, not at all. We got water going for poached eggs. We'll do the shrimp here in a minute. We got some prep going.
Okay, dude. 10 minutes has gone by. You got like 20 minutes.
All right.
What do we got going on?
I think you need to refill your wine glass and go back over there. That's what I think. We've got some extra virgin olive oil. And you'll see, you kind of see that shimmer. 11 minutes.
Probably since I walked over here like 10 minutes.
Yeah, so I've got
We still have
probably...
shrimp. We still have this. He's got like 9 minutes left, y'all, and he still has a lot of shrimp just plated that isn't cooked, and the grits are not done.
Well, they're about half the shrimp are in the microwave, so I think he's cheating.
Are you talking about me?
No.
We're talking about you. All right, Stefon, like, how do we cut this thing? We got an egg, and we got grits, and we got shrimp.
All right, so the whole thing is to get everything in the same bite. But like I said earlier, everything's better with the runny egg yolk. So the first thing you want to do is crack that egg yolk on top.
All right, we just
so
like
just
this?
come in and just pop it.
Look how you're holding your fork. Okay, like this.
Nice.
That makes me look fancy, but I'm not really fancy, so it's okay. So the whole goal is get a piece of tasso, get a little shrimp, get a little grits, and then drag it.
The tasso's the ham.
And then drag it through that egg yolk and the broth. That's the goal.
And the grits?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So you want to get everything all together.
Oh my gosh, this is difficult.
And then just drag it right through that sauce right there.
Okay. Where?
Tasso.
I feel like I'm behind, Doug.
Where's the fireball?
Yeah, that's where it's at.
Yeah, where's the fireball?
In my belly. There you go, Doug.
That was good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Because you know what?
Awesome job.
The grits almost taste like mashed potatoes.
Yeah. So the whole thing is like, if you can have my food a lot, you can get sweet, salty, sour, spicy all together. Because you should hit all parts of the palate.
The verde salsa in it, the Mrs. Renfro's verde salsa.
I love that too.
And it was really, and of course Doug loves that too. So thank you so much, Chef Stefon.
Oh, thank you for having
of
me.
Texas Blue Steakhouse, and Doug Renfro of Mrs. Renfro Salsas.
Thanks for
Thank you so much for the second episode of What's for Dinner?
What's for dinner?
Yes,
Cheers.
with Stefon and Doug Renfro. I love it. For Stefon's recipe, go to my website at greetsandeats.com.